ONDGAS show. Just a little quick reminder to you guys that we have the 2500 right here. It's decked out all the way. So pretty much the way you can win this truck is by spending $10. Every $10 is gonna give you an entry. You don't just have to spend $10, you know. You can buy a lanyard, you can buy hoodies, buy shirts, you can buy hats. We got a little bit of everything. And we also have new merch coming up. We have new shirts for this truck, a bunch of new styles, you know. So this is a 2500. Wheels are 26 by 14 JTX4. They're powder coated blue. The windows are blue as well, same as the lettering right here. It also has a 7 and 9 Mogoys lift. I think it's called Mogoys. I mean, what else could you want? No, but in our reality, we said for y'all guys to comment down below. We still haven't decided yet on what kind of wrap, you know. I saw a lot of the comments. A lot of people like the Nardo Gray. I think the Nardo Gray will look sick on it. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the truck is cleaned up as well. We took it a head out, A+ detailing out here in Pasadena. Oh, the system's badass on this truck. You're gonna be bumping. The system is done by the auto shop. It has the lights that were integrated by the drop shop. The dually also has this lights, and the dually has traveled a lot of miles. Trust me, I know, because I'm driving them. And these lights haven't gone out. I mean, that shows you the type of quality build that my boy Fernando over there, the drop shop, provides. Like I said, $10 will get you one entry for this truck right here. We have the 350 Sport over here, which we already chose the winner, Rafael Mata. He was the actual winner of the truck. He said, you know what? Before even Machete could even tell him, hey, what you want? He said, I want the truck. So he got the truck. We gave him the option of 17 by 11s or welds, and he chose the welds. So congratulations to everybody that participated. So we got a little dilemma. We got just a little dilemma. We gotta take those 17 by 11s off of that, and we gotta put the welds onto that truck. As y'all can see, there's a lot of stuff in the way. We got Gangbang over here, which will be at Truck National. It's gonna be a pretty good event. We moved it to February 18 due to weather conditions, you know. It's better that we move it, not just for us, but we're already halfway racing and then the rain comes and we stop the event. That's no fun. We want to see a full event. We want to have some good weather to our favor. So that's one of the reasons we moved it. But here's Gangbang. We just gotta test a little bit more and should be ready. But we're gonna get to it because we got a little bit of work to do. These tires, you can't just put them on like that. They're directional. Like you see here, they say left. This one says right, so just an FYI, whoever's installing wheels or something like that. You know, this rim's just a straight spoke, so you don't have to worry about it. But something with more of a twisted, you gotta put it directional. Idea of trying new mics so y'all can hear us better, and Frank's kind of playing with them, see what's up with them.
I'm testing to see how far it reaches. So like Salsy's recording right now inside the shop. It's this right here. So you guys probably see this on Instagram. A lot of fitness people use this. They'll be at the gym. They'll be like, okay, today I'm gonna do preacher curls or whatever. You know, they'll be like, they'll clip it back on or whatever. So I'm checking how far I can walk. So the cool thing about this is now somebody can be talking and we don't have to face the camera that way. You know what I'm saying? Because right now, the way we film, the way we vlog, the microphone has to be facing you. But if you're anywhere with one of these connected, it doesn't have to face you. So if you're talking about the wheels, we can start shooting the wheels instead of shooting the person. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Because the mic is directional, it has to point towards the person. So we'll see how these go. We're gonna do a test run with them later on and go from there.
That's a pretty cool idea. You see, bring y'all the content y'all need. I'm saying this truck is another swap away to becoming the greatest OBS ever.
Well, now with these wheels, it kind of has to be a swap because it's a sporty ass wheel. Once again, congratulations to Rafael Mata from Chicago for winning the truck. I'm sure Alex said it earlier already. He chose to take the 22-inch Weld wheels instead of the 17 by 11s, which it looks good like this also. I actually forgot how it looked. It doesn't look terrible. Most people would have probably opted for the 17 by 11s. It looks really good with the 17 by 11s, and it has a sound system that goes with it.
I was telling these people that it might be a down south thing. You know, the guys from Chicago, maybe they're...
He is up north. Who knows? The scene's different over there because the 17 by 11s is a Houston Valley thing. You know what I'm saying? It's a Texas thing. So maybe a California thing too. We sent a couple of them over there, a couple of winners. So with this, with the 22-inch Weld wheels, yeah, you definitely had to swap it now.
It's a must. There it is. Got the welds installed. I remember we made a shirt. Still have that shirt. As you've seen in the past giveaway that we did, the Blue SS, Nancy from Bakersfield, she actually already has the truck. She's been posting pictures about it. She's taken it to a couple local meets around there, so that's pretty badass. That's exactly what we want from winners. So y'all enjoy the truck. You know, there's nothing better than cruising the truck. So we got the Weld on 350 Sport, like I said many times. We got the big old giveaway over here. With $10, y'all can win this truck. $10 gives you one entry to this truck right now. Anything you purchase on the website, lanyards, hoodies, beanies, whatever, every $10 is one entry. But right now, we're gonna go pick up Little Joker from the setup, see how it goes, see how it looks, see how it rides, because it rides like shit without that underbed C-notch. Now follow me there, so let's go.
Mira, we got y'all ready, cuz. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien, todo bien.
Bien apurado. Arriba para abajo.
Un poquillo, ya sabes.
Hey, we did a little bit of trimming in the front. You know how it wouldn't bounce at all?
Yeah. Okay, nice.
So now it has suspension.
Okay.
And now it definitely has suspension in the back. Yeah, it felt like shit. Now you can actually drive it and you hit bumps and shit. I just drove it right here. It would have been nice to know if it didn't have brakes and power steering. Pero me nada en la madre.
Sí.
Yeah, los frenos, cuz. Ya iba allá, güey. Jala, verga, espérate. ¿Qué onda? And then they were like, I didn't see the video where they said it didn't have brakes though.
Well, it has a little bit of.
Yeah, we did some more stuff to it. Tito wanted us to do like the header to make room for the steering. We did that, trimmed that. But other than that, it has the underbed. No bottoming out, no nothing. The front doesn't bottom out no more. It rides good. Only thing is you can't go lower.
Okay.
But at least you have suspension now. I actually like it like that.
Yeah.
Now imagine it when you're spinning it and the front's kind of up and it's
gonna be like.
Yeah, okay. You know what I'm saying? It gives you that illusion that motherfucker wants to launch. So it looks good. But yeah, other than that, we got everything squared away and it works good.
Oh yeah. Little Joker se llama.
Little Joker, yeah, I saw the green and purple. Sí, oh yeah, so we ended up taping it real nice and neat just to kind of make it look good. Pero pues como estaba powder coated,
sí.
It was a bitch, bro, trying to get that powder coat off. Con puro wire wheel, nos la pasamos ahí limpiando todo, pero quedó con madre. Boxed it all in, welded all the bottom, everything's fully welded. No little cracks, no pores, no nothing. It salió con madre.
So that is it, guys. That's it for Little Joker. Ya está completa, now it's just putting it back together.
You said the 4x4 works already, right?
Yeah, I think the 4x4 works.
You already loaded up or what?
Yes, sir. So that is it for Little Joker. I want to thank my boy Roman, the setup. He's always coming clutch with quick jobs. You know, if you ever need suspension work, y'all make sure to hit him up. He's on social media as well. You have a YouTube channel as well, correct?
The setup. Just put the setup.biz or the setup I sell it to.
Appreciate everything, my boy.
Bro.
Tiny just pulled up.
Yeah, I just pulled up.
Where you coming from?
Little Rock, Arkansas. I left this morning. I was over there for a week. But your boy Tiny back. You know, we're gonna be in town for a little bit.
You were actually scheduled to come back because Truck Nationals was supposed to go down tomorrow.
Correct. Yeah, I was scheduled to come back today for Truck Nationals tomorrow, but due to the weather, we had to honestly postpone it. So I seen some comments that we did it on purpose, but it's not on purpose. I mean, you could go to Google Weather and you could see it.
Yeah, you can go to the Weather Channel, AccuWeather, all those.
Yeah.
Right now it's showing 30%, so Now, look, it could have been a good day during the day and people are gonna be like, it's not even raining. Then it starts pouring ass at 6 p.m. and the event gets canceled. We'll be in quarterfinals and everyone's gonna be mad. So might as well play it safe and schedule it to February 18th and see how it goes that day.
Yeah, because last year we started early as well. We started at 10 a.m. and we didn't finish till almost 11 p.m. Yeah. So it's an all day thing and we can't risk it. So February 18th, hopefully it doesn't rain that day neither.
Yeah.
I mean, and we're gonna have a hell of an event. So February 18th, change your flights, change all that shit you gotta do. But make sure you come down here because we all gonna be up here. We're gonna have some exciting racing like we've been telling you guys. What's going on with, I think this thing's called Little Joker now or some shit?
Yeah, Little Joker because of the purple frame and the yellow wrap.
Green.
Green.
It's not yellow.
It's
green.
yellow, bro. I'm colorblind then.
And if everything goes good, so I just talked to my boy Wakla. If everything goes good, he's gonna check out a truck for me in the valley. I might be leaving tomorrow to the valley.
What?
Yes, I might be leaving tomorrow. If he gives me the green light, I'll leave tomorrow to the valley, and I'm have something else here pretty soon.
Hey, what is it? Or a little clue? Single cab, obviously.
It's a single cab,
Yeah.
and it's white.
Okay.
I mean, cause all my shit's white. The new one's white. The old one was white, so everything has to be white.
Little Larry wasn't white.
Little Larry, cause that's why it didn't fit, bro. That's why it didn't fit.
Joker on the front, smiling.
Which Joker? Like Heath Ledger, or Joaquin Phoenix?
No,
Joaquin Phoenix was good, bro.
Yeah, he was good, but not for
But the popular one is Heath Ledger. Yeah. Probably put a purple sticker up there.
Yeah. You think so, see?
I think it'd be dope.
So how are you buying a truck?
I'm gonna have Wakala check it out, and if Wakala says good, then we'll go get it. 5.3, all electric, stock height, everything, so it hasn't been molested. But tomorrow I'll run the VIN number and go from there, you know, so hopefully it works out.
Hopefully, because you had your chance, bro, with the blue SS clone.
I was out of my budget.
Yeah. How much is this one?
This one's 75.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's tidy budget for you guys.
Yeah. Well, 75, and I figured another 7,000 in wheels.
Yeah.
Shit.
7,000 in wheels. Hold up, Tiny. What you buying?
Really, bro?
So doesn't that equal out to?
Yeah.
And then 4 more thousand or 3 more thousand, you could have had that blue SS clone.
Well, I mean, the SS clone didn't have no wheels.
It's right there.
No, I mean, hopefully if everything works out, I mean, I'll have a truck. If not, it is what it is. Move on to the next one. Another one pops up. I'm not in a rush because when I first bought Little Larry, I was in a rush. I was like, man, I want it. I want it.
You were hyped.
Yeah. So when you want something so fast and everything, you just say, fuck it. I bought it sight unseen. You know, I sent someone to go get it. I just sent the guy the money and I went to send someone to pick it up. And at the end of the day, when I show up, I'm like, damn. You know what I mean? And I'm like, you know what? Yeah, and I was like, you know what? It's a V6. It's chingale windows, manual windows. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it electric. I'm gonna put a 6.0. At the end of the day, it's a lot of headache. In my mind, when I want to purchase a truck, guys, there's plenty of trucks I can find on Marketplace right now, but they all got a whole bunch of issues that I'm not comfortable with. I want to buy something that I'm comfortable with, that I want, that actually I'm passionate about, you know what I mean? So I don't want to buy something that, oh man, I do this, I do that, because at the end of the day, you're not, you know? So start off with a good platform, yeah, and then work from there. Well, you guys, that's the end for this video. That's a wrap. But before we end this video, I want to remind you, 2500 giveaway is going on right now. This 2500 diesel lifted on billet wheels. Doesn't get better than that. We also need to decide what color you want to wrap this truck. So make sure you comment down below. I've seen some comments on the previous video. We're still gathering all that info up. So make sure you comment down below. Let us know, what should we wrap this? We get a lot of questions of this. How it's done? How do I get entered? ONDGAS.com. ONDGAS.com. Doesn't get any better than that. You go to OnTheGas.com. Anything you purchase on our website, so for every $10 you spend, is gonna gain you 1 entry. And we're in development of getting some shirts done, but we're gonna get all that done once we wrap the truck. So let us know down below. Remember, shop OnTheGas.com. Every $10 you spend gains you 1 entry. Good luck to all of y'all.
Cha-cha-cha!